Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote and Laser here. We had Mario and Bianca from Red Goat Armoury in the shop this week for on-site applicator training. During the training, we talk about the things you can and can't put Cerakote on. And when I get to the part of that conversation where I talk about the fact that I've put it on probably 7 or 8 pairs of shoes and had no issues with it, it doesn't crack, it doesn't peel, it actually looks pretty cool. Bianca mentioned that she had a pair of shoes that she would like to try it on, and then asked me if I'd ever gun candied over top of the Cerakote. Told her I had never even thought about doing that, let alone tried it, so she thought, well, let's go ahead and try it out. They're not that expensive shoes anyway. If it doesn't work, she'll just throw them in the trash. So what we did is she base coated them in graphite black. We put them in the oven for about an hour at 150 on a piece of plywood that we stapled parchment paper down it so you don't get the sap oozing up out of the wood, doesn't stick to your project. She sprayed Razorback gun candy over top of that. We let it dry for about 4 or 5 hours just to get them where they're no longer tacky and you could kind of handle them. And then took a look at them. They looked actually really cool. I was kind of surprised that it held up like it did. We flexed them and it did fine. It didn't crack, it didn't peel. So there'll be a little bit of video of her, shooting that stuff on the end of this. There's also kind of a flyby video of the project, and we also put a little bonus video of us lasering their logo into a magazine at the end. So as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your laser, stencil, and Cerakote needs. Have a great day.